Yun nga po, nagulat kami si Nate. Binatang-binata. May girlfriend ba siya?
Wala pa naman. Baby pa rin naman siya.
Papayag ka?
Wala naman akong choice.
Ay, cool mom. Cool mom. Sabi mo kasi kanina mamalo ka eh. Kaya sabi ko,
Mamalo ako nung bata siya.
Okay.
Siyempre, pero ngayon, whatever he wants to do with his life, you know, I always say, di ba, as a parent, we have a tendency to dream for our children. Di ba ganun tayo? Parang,
correct.
My dream is for you to become like that. That's not actually our role. Our dream is our role is to support. The dreaming comes from them.
What's his dream now? Sa mga narinig mo, anong press release niya sa'yo? Kasi di ba
he's very intellectual.
Oh.
Malayo sa career path naming mag-asawa. But he still loves to sing. Pero it's really, yung mga gusto niya malayo sa mga ginagawa namin. Very intellectual. He loves to read, to research.
I love
ganyan siya.
Ano pa, doktor ba ito? Ganon?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Parang economist.
Wow, I love it.
Or baka maging astronaut. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako sure. Pero whatever he wants to do with his life, I will just support.
High school na po ba siya? Or junior?
Parang high school na. Kasi 7th grade.
Ay, oo.
Diba sa amin?
High school na.
First year high school na.
Oh my gosh. Ang bilis ng panahon. We watched him grow with you.
Yes, you
with
did.
your songs, diba?
You did. And in my Instagram. Kasi diba I like sharing him. Pero if you notice nowadays, I don't anymore. Because I also wanna give him his privacy.
Kasi Gen Alpha siya, tama ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Gen Alpha siya. So ano yun nga, di ba ma-boundaries din ba siya? Like, mom, ganyan.
Hindi naman. If I ask him, he'll do it for me.
Oh, wow.
Because I don't ask him so many things. But he asks me for so many things. So I always, okay, mommy. Mabait siya.
Oo, mabait na bata. So pinapayagan mo siya pag wala baka overnight, ano?
Yeah, nagpa-party mag-isa.
I love
Kasi
it.
my friends and I are going to ganyan-ganyan. Or my cousins, kasi barkada niya rin yung cousins niya. My cousins and I are going to ganyan. Okay, sige, go. Pero nagpapaalam, that's what I like. Yung nagpapaalam siya. Hindi lang niya ginagawa yung decision by himself. Hindi. Papaalam siya sa akin, papaalam siya kay dad. Very respectful.
Never kayo naging helicopter parents, no? Ni Ogie, kaya naging ganyan siya.
Meron din akong tendency to be a helicopter mom. Parang I think, because you want for them to be safe and you want for them to have a good life and good experiences. And that's, I think, normal. But you also need, as a mother, you also need to realize that they're not gonna be able to learn if you hover all the time. Na-realize ko yun when he was about mga 5 years old. Kasi whenever he would ask me, Mommy, can you play with me? I'm there. I'm there right away. Trying to create scenarios, gagawa pa akong bahay-bahayan. Lahat. I would always be there. Mommy, can you play with me? Laro ako ng airport, lahat. And then I realized that he was about to be 6 years old. Sabi ko, di ba you have toys? You play. Kasi mommy is doing so many things right now. Hindi ka pwedeng laging nandun kasi yung creativity nila, hindi din nila magagamit. Tayo ba? Nilaro ba tayo ng mga... Ako nilaro ako ng nanay ko nung ako pa lang mag-isa. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng kapatid, she couldn't anymore. So, I let her. So, that way kasi, yung play nila magiging iba, yung creativity nila, yung pagde-daydream nila, kasama yun eh. Sa growth nila, experience yun eh. And don't be afraid when your children would say, Mommy, I'm bored. I used to get so afraid when he says, I'm bored. Nagpapanik na ako. What activity can we do? No, don't panic.
Let them be bored.
Let them be bored. Because again, their creativity will come out. So pag nagsasabi siya sa akin, I'm so bored, okay, then be bored.
Ang galing, ang cool mom. Cool.
Hindi nga ako cool mom, pero ngayon ko na lang din nare-realize yan. Pero meron akong point in my life na I did that too. I hover.
I love it.
To tell you frankly, I'm not even sure if I'm doing the right job. Kasi bilang nanay, you always question yourself eh. And you wouldn't know if you're doing the right job or not. Because, we're human beings. We just do our best.
I love it.
We just do our best. Diba? Wala talagang right or wrong. Hindi mo malalaman kasi we just really do our best.